How to fix Facebook identity confirmation failed business manager. In this video, we talk about how to fix this on your Messenger or on your Facebook. Sorry, just watch this video till the end. First, you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option, you have to search for Facebook. Open then Facebook like this and go to storage option. Now go to the last button, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back and click on force stop and click also OK. And now go to permissions option, go to files and media and allow access to media only. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.